Hey everybody, just picked up a new toy from Harbor Freight. We're gonna see if this thing here can warm up my shop. What do we got? We have the Bauer Variable Heat Control Propane Portable Heater. Heats up to 1,350 square feet. My shop in here is just about 1,200, so we're gonna see what we can do. Because right now, I think the temperature we've got in here is about, according to my temperature gauge here, just about 58 degrees. So it's about the same as it is outside. Let's go see what it is outside. All right, so it looks like the temperature out here, see if I can get this to flip around here so you can read it, 60.2 degrees. 60 degrees, maybe still dropping. I think today's high was supposed to be 60, so hadn't quite got there yet. So we know that it's under 60 degrees, still dropping. Kind of bounce back up there. And so that's what we're dealing with on the outside. Let's go see. All right, so now we got our two temperature points, about the same inside and outside, 58, 60 degrees. So let's get this thing hooked up, fired up, and see what we can do. Now, before I get started here, let's see. This thing was $99, and then I had a 25% off coupon they sent to me, so all in, I got this for $81.55, including tax. They did offer, the extended warranty things for like another $20 or $30, whatever it was. For being all in for $80 on a heater, I wasn't real worried about the extended warranty. So. Instructions. Got ourselves a regulator already included, 10-foot hose, stuck to the tape. Looks like it's pretty much assembled and ready to go. Make sure there's nothing else hiding in here. Nope. So this is what you get. Little torpedo heater. And some instructions there. Definitely not a long cord. So what we're going to do is put this up here. Because you're going to need an extension cord if you don't do that. Plenty of cord to put that down there. I think I'm going to put a little Teflon on that just because. You don't really need yellow tape, but I'm going to put it on there just in case. Break out this high-tech wrench here. All right, so what you've got here, basically all your instructions. Got your gas knob for your heat set up and your gas valve. So you're gonna push on this to help get this thing started. Should have an electric clicker. There it is over here. See if I can turn this thing around this way. So there's your ignition button, your on-off switch, and your little 1-foot cord. Wow. Wowzer. Okay, there is the first mistake that they made in designing this thing, which is fun because some of the recent advertising you see for Harbor Freight with their Bauer stuff, oh, we've tested, we've done all kinds of stuff. Well, apparently they didn't think they needed a freaking 2-3 foot cord for this, which is stupid. All right, so let me flip this back around here. So this is what I've done. I had this little thing sitting over there. So that lifted it up enough so that I'm able to plug it in. So we're plugged in. Ignition button. This is probably going to be the fan. Yep, there's your fan. So we got our fan going. We're going to turn on our propane. Move that over here. So we are not on the max. We're sort of turn this, figure out. So that's going to open it up. That's going to tighten it down all the way. So we're going to... Okay, we got gas. Now let's see what we can do here. Well, that didn't take long to light. That was immediate. Wow. All right. Check this out. All right, flip around there. So we got flame. We got fan, we got flame, we've got heat. My hand's about 2 feet away from it. So we're going to try to turn this up. All right, we're on full blast. Ooh. Now I can get up to about right here. That's about that far, 2 feet in front of it. It's going to be a little warm. But we're going to let that run for about 10 minutes. I don't have a clock in here. Yes, I do. I have my phone. All right, we're showing 1:27 on the clock. So we'll come back in here. Let's get a final temperature reading here. All right, so we're showing 58.6 degrees inside. We'll give that 10 or 15 minutes. Come back in here, see what we've got. See if we have a workshop that can be worked in with a little bit better than 58 degrees. All right, so alarm's going off here. Don't know if you can hear that. I set it for about 15 minutes. We'll see what kind of temperature changes we got in here. Not turned on here. So it looks like we've gone from 58 to 63 and climbing. So we've gone up 5 degrees. I wonder what it's like in the rest of the shop. We'll take this around over here. See, this is the direction it's pointing. Over here it's 64 and climbing. Ow. 65 and climbing. Wow, this thing seems to be doing pretty well. All the way in the total opposite corner. I do have, and it's 65.3 back here. 65.6. So that thing seems to be cranking pretty good. So obviously, if you point it in the direction that you want, I think it's going to be even better. So obviously, I have a plug right here. This is my workspace right here. So instead of having it over there pointing that direction, if I move it over here and point it towards my workspace, I think this will be great. Get me an extension cord, drop it down on the floor so that we're not 4 feet, 5 feet off the floor like it is over here. Right there. You can see it's sitting on that table. So I think it's a good deal. Got a 25% off coupon. Walk out the door, 85 bucks for a torpedo heater like that. You don't have to go, I mean, my propane tank, I can refill my own 20-pound tanks, my propane supply for my house. So that makes it the smart thing for me. I don't have to worry about running out of gas. I don't have to worry about running out of diesel, kerosene, or anything like that. So I think that this is not a bad deal. Again, this was, whoa, there you go, knock over the motorcycle. Again, this was a review of the Bauer torpedo heater, propane forced air. Yeah, see, there's the trick. Cord length, 9.88 inches. Your electrical cord on this sucks, Bauer. Give us a 3-foot cord, come on. Or a 6-foot cord. If you're going to give us a hose length of 10 feet for the propane you should give us an electrical cord length longer than that. But all in all, I think this is not a bad deal. I mean, obviously it is made in China. Everything at Harbor Freight's made in China. So what can you do? I think it's worth it. Put your comments down below. Let me know if you think it's worth it. If there's something else you want me to try, I know that stay tuned in the future. I am going to be doing a review on this here parts cleaner and this barrel blaster I've got here. Finally got them set up, put in place. And I will say, we've got this air compressor over here as well. All stuff I hadn't got to use yet because I've been busy doing other stuff. And now that I have a heater in my shop, I can put them to use. Hey, thanks for watching.